essential problem solving for tech professionals?
Efficient problem solving is a core skill in the tech industry. Having a structured approach not only saves time, but also leads to better solutions. Frameworks like ideal and root cause analysis are widely used to break down complex issues and find effective answers. Let's explore some of the most valuable problem-solving frameworks every tech pro should know.
The ideal framework, a step-by-step approach.
The ideal model stands for identify, define, explore, act, and look back. Start by identifying the problem, then define its key aspects. Explore possible solutions and select the best one. Act to implement the solution, and finally, look back to review results. This cycle helps ensure thoroughness and learning from each challenge.
Root cause analysis, solving problems at their source.
Root cause analysis goes beyond surface-level symptoms to find the underlying source of a problem. Popular techniques include the 5 whys and fishbone diagrams. By addressing the true cause, rather than just the effects, tech professionals can develop solutions that prevent recurring issues and improve system reliability.
The PDCA cycle, continuous improvement.
The PDCA cycle, Plan, Do, Check, Act, is a framework for ongoing improvement. Plan the solution, implement it, check the results, and act to standardize or adjust as needed. Common in software development and IT operations. It empowers teams to refine processes and deliver better outcomes over time.
Design thinking, focusing on users.
Design thinking encourages solving problems with empathy for the user. It involves 5 phases: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. By centering solutions around real user needs, this approach often leads to more innovative products and effective resolutions to complex tech challenges.
Mastering problem-solving frameworks.
Using proven frameworks empowers tech professionals to tackle problems systematically and efficiently. From ideal to root cause analysis and design thinking, combining these tools strengthens critical thinking and supports continuous growth. Adopting structured approaches can lead to better solutions and a stronger, more resilient career in tech.